Director of Tri-City Eye Hospital, Mohali. Today I will be discussing one of the most common cause of dry eye which we see in our clinic, that is digital eye strain. As you all know, digital eye strain is also known as computer vision syndrome or any dry eye caused by using excessive use of digital system. So how does it occur? We'll go slow by slow all the processes. Digital eye strain is caused by continuous use of your eyes while working on computer and focusing of your eyes on each letters while working on the long duration of computers. So it can result in chronic dry eyes. Now, what are the causes of digital eye strain? Is one is excessive use of computers, or it can be because of excessive use of tablets, mobiles, smartphones, or laptops. The symptoms of the dry or digital eye strain is headache, irritation, pain, redness in the eye, or back pain, neck pain, or headache. So, other predisposing factors like excessive use of air condition while working on computer, or frequent travels during your work hours, which can cause predispose to the dry eye or digital eye strain. The other things which you should keep always in mind, that whenever we get pain, redness, or headache, you should always consult to rule out any dry eye conditions. The people who are working on computer for long duration of hours. So the steps which you should always take to reduce digital eye strain or treat dry eyes, digital eye strain because of computer usage or any digital system is the first, whenever you are working on computer for long duration of hours for more than 12 hours a day, you should always consult a doctor or eye surgeon or an ophthalmologist, so that you should always rule out dry eye before while working on computer, so that the dry eye doesn't become chronic. Second, the surrounding light. While working on computer, the surrounding light should be less than the your working environment or conditions. Like the excessive use of exterior light or the interior lighting should be reduced, so that it doesn't cause stress on your eyes. Third is, you should always use anti-glare glasses while working on computer. Even if you don't have any glasses power, you can use zero power glasses with anti-reflective coating, so that it doesn't cause glare on your strain on your eyes. The other things are like use of exercises. The exercises are very important in these conditions to reduce the stress, strain, and the headache while working on computer. Exercise is also must 20-20-20 rule. Here, the meaning is you should always take off your eyes after 20 minutes of working on computer and look at object at least 20 feet away for 20 seconds. So this exercise, which is done regularly, can reduce your stress and strain on the eye and can increase your quality of life. The other thing is blinking of your eyes. You should always blink your eyes regularly. So while working on computer, it is found that the blink rate is reduced to 4 per minute. The normal blink rate is 12 to 14 per minute. So one of the most simple treatment for reducing strain while working on computer is blinking of your eyes. So blink your eyes very regularly. And the working workstation, how you should use your workstation while working on computer. The workstation should be always important, like the relation of your heightness of chair with the computer system. Now it is said that the computer screen should always be 10 to 15 degree below your head and neck system, so that your eyes is look properly over the computer screen and doesn't cause strain and stress on your eyes as well as the body. Also, while you're using your lighting condition, should be ambient light, should not be too much bright, not too much dark. Should always be in between the computer and the working person. Should not focus directly on the screen or on the working people, so that the excessive strain on your eyes is avoided. Apart from all these conditions, which will help in reducing or strain on the eyes, I always recommend to patients to have frequent hydration of the body. Just as any hydration in our body, dehydration, we should always require supplements. So our eye also requires supplements. Should always take frequent waters to supplement, like plenty of waters during while working conditions. The other things, like we should always have a good source of conditions, good source of vegetables, which is good, rich in vitamin A and E, should have good source of fatty acid supplements. These fatty acid supplements they help in reducing the symptoms of dry eye as well as increasing tear production. The other thing which always keep in mind that any conditions like the dry eye conditions which progresses further or can cause like redness or pain or severe headache or which decreases the quality of your life and help and decreases your day-to-day performance should always consult your local physician or local doctor. With this keeping this thing in mind, I always recommend my patients to follow these conditions and they will come back next time they have very much relief in symptoms and signs and they'll go very happily after looking at the things. Thank you very much.